Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the IUPAC nomenclature of Tetraspiro compounds. At the outset, these structures may be slightly intimidating, but if you have already seen the videos that I have made for Dispiro and Trispiro compounds, it wouldn't be difficult to guess the names of these molecules. Therefore, please feel free to pause the video whenever you want to and work out the names and then come back and cross check it. So let's begin. The most important thing is numbering. So where to number it? As usual, we have to start our numbering one position away from the spirocarbon. So let's start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, and then we know that we need to give as low numbers as possible for the Spiro centers, and then the next to Spiro center is here, therefore 4 should be here, not here. If we write 4 here, then everything can go wrong. So 4, and then there is another spirocarbon is there, so that is 5, and then there is one more spirocarbon is there, so 6. So total 4 spirocarbons are there, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then 7 8 9 10 11. So in total we have 11 carbon atoms, therefore our parent chain is undecane. So Tetraspiro, that's our secondary prefix. Tetraspiro, open the square brackets, and then 2, the position of x1, these 2 carbon atoms, yeah, and then 0 because 3 and 4 are directly attached, and then again 0 because 4 and 5 are directly attached, and then again 0 because 5 and 6 are directly attached, and then we have 2 carbon atoms, that is the 7 and 8. So 2, this position, so this is x1, x1 is 2, and then we are moving to y1, so y1 is also 2, and then y2 is 1, y3 is also 1, y4 is also 1, close the square bracket, undecane. Now we have to put the Spiro centers as superscripts. So we need to distinguish between these 2 and these 2. So where these 2 comes at position 6 in an unambiguous manner, starting at 6 and then ending at 6. So we have 2 carbon atoms there, and then the next one where it is ending at 5. The number 9, this one is ending at 5, so put that one, and then 10 is ending at 4, put that one, and then 11 is ending at 3. So that's the correct IUPAC name for this molecule. So let's work out the next one. So once again, start numbering from either side, because we on the terminal sides we have 5-membered rings, so you can start from anywhere. Yeah, everything is a 5-membered ring. So start numbering 1 2 3 4 5, and then you have to go this way, you should not go this way. Okay, if you go that way, then you will be giving higher numbers for the Spiro centers, therefore that is not correct. So go this way, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. So total 21 carbon atoms are there. So our parent chain should be called as heneicosane because 21 carbon atoms are there. Okay. So Tetraspiro four, the value of x1, yeah, these 4 carbon atoms, and then 1, then 1 again, then again 1, then again 4, then 2 dot 2 dot 2 heneicosane. Okay. So we need to distinguish this 4 with this 4. This 4 appears at 11, yeah, starting at 11, ending at 11. So that's our y1 value, yeah. y1 is 4, x1 is also 4, and then 2 where it is ending? It is ending at 9, and then this 2 is ending at 7, and then these 2 20 21 that is ending at 5. So that's the correct IUPAC name for this molecule. And now the last example. Now here you need to be much more careful about the numbering, because if you start from here 1 2 3 4 and then go in this direction, you will be giving higher numbers for the Spiro centers. Therefore you should not do it. So you have to continue in this way, so that you will be giving lower numbers for the Spiro centers. So if you do this way, you will get basically 4 6 11 16, and if we go on the other way around, meaning the clockwise direction, you will be getting 4 7 12 17. So naturally these are low numbers, therefore you should prefer that one, not this one. So 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. This is also heneicosane. So Tetraspiro, three, these 3, 1, this one, and then again 3, 7 8 9, okay, and then 1, the 10, and then again 3, okay, again 1, this one, then again 3, these 3 atoms, and then finally 2 heneicosane. Now this follows the second format, because the value of x1 and the value of x3 are one and the same. So we basically need to distinguish this 3 with this 3. So where is this 3 is appearing? It is starting at 6 and ending at 6. So that Spiro center you need to specify first. So 6, leave out the 1, and then because we unambiguously specified the first Spiro center, then you can move on. So next one, leave it out, and then we are basically not specifying any superscript here, and then for these 3 again we are gonna specify the Spiro center. So that is at 11, and then leave out this 1, okay, and then this 3 is at 16, and then the 2, these 2 20 21, that is ending at 4, yeah, so 4. So that's the correct IUPAC name for this structure. Now this is a homework for you. So if you can figure out the IUPAC name for this structure, please feel free to write it as a comment. And thank you for watching this video, and if you do like this video, consider subscribing it to Chemedia. Thank you.